Hello babies, it's your girl Chamaka Curry. In today's video, we're going to be doing my rice water treatment. You would need a spray bottle if you don't have one, so go get one if you're going to do this treatment. And that's it.
Without you, my heart turning on its own.
Today we are going to be taking up my 4-month-old twist. These are my twists that I got when I went for 30 December in Nigeria, which was very, very white, I must say. But this person that made my twist, is God that's washing now. First of all, what is this pattern? What was this? Like, I know my hair has grown, but see, what is the pattern? There could have been a whole hair here is missing. My hair was longer. Probably not as long as I cut it, but oh, thank God I cut it long. This piece right here, brush out the dirt. The best thing to do is to do this for every piece of hair. Mold is gone. Now, let's try and do it for the whole head, hey? Baby girl, that's my hair. This is why I don't let people touch my hair. Especially Corride. Like, my hair has been growing like good, like, right? Rice water, I put everybody on. That's why you're here today. And then Corride is like combing my hair with so much animosity. And I'm like, auntie, calm down now. And she's like, well, if your hair mass can reduce, that'll be okay. Wickedness. Let of us come correct. For the rice water treatment preparation, you require 1/4 to 1/2 cup of rice and twice the amount of water. You need this to ferment for 4 to 7 days. In this video, the rice water treatment has been fermenting for over 7 days. I made 2/3 of a cup of rice and twice the amount for water because I was making for myself and my 2 sisters, aka my friends. This is actually very important. You require hair oil. So in this video, I am using my black Jamaican castor oil. I always put 2 to 3 drops of that into the rice water treatment. This helps to nullify the smell, as well as it has hair growth benefits. When that is done, I always wash my hair twice with shampoo. So I go in twice with this bad boy over here, and then I go in once with this. Under no condition should you comb your hair when it still has shampoo in it. Shampoo is just to wash out the dirt, okay? When you put the conditioner, however, because of how it's made, it softens the texture of your hair. Then you can comb your hair, but obviously you have to let it sit for like a couple minutes, right? Minimum time that you leave rice water in your hair for is about 4 hours. 4 hours is the minimum I leave it for, and it's worked for me so far. So that's not my staple time to tell anybody that I'm like introducing to rice water. The question you might be asking is, what are the benefit of rice water? The benefit of the rice water treatment basically is just to like thicken and lengthen your hair so that the rice water is more effective if you relax your hair. If your hair has chemicals in it already, like mine, you want to reduce the amount of time you expose your hair to chemicals. If you relax your hair like 4 times a year, you want to take that down to like 2 times a year. Now I only relax my hair twice. Okay, so you require a tail comb, elastic bands, a t-shirt, and the rice water. So what I normally do, is I basically wear the shirts. Let's be real, I don't actually use this. So you want to section your hair into 4 parts. Now you take each section and you apply the rice waters directly to your roots, massage that in, and then put it on the tips of your hair. I'm going to be trimming my ends because there's split ends on my hair. I always trim my hair whenever I do rice water treatment. Use the elastic bands to hold the hair in position. Now I'm going to drench the hair with so much more rice water because I want it to be soaking wet. Then you put the sheets over the hair, then wrap it around and tuck it in. You want to take a net or like just like a scarf just to kind of hold the shirt in position. So basically I had this in my hair for like well over 24 hours. It's so dry. This is very important, guys. You are only using water to wash off the rice water. Only water and water alone, nothing else. After you've properly washed out the rice water from your hair, this is optional, but I do this every time with my hair. This is L'Oreal mask. If you're really concerned about the smell of your hair, this would do the trick. And then I wash it out with water. Again, only water. Cannot stress it enough, because using shampoo in your hair is basically taking out the rice water entirely from your scalp. Then what's the point? You get? We want the rice water to stay in your hair follicles so your hair can grow. After all that washing and everything. Okay, I'm shooting now. Which kind of witchcraft is that one now? What? I say I'm shooting. You know when I say I'm shooting? And then you not continue. What's your problem now? Why are you not doing ooh? I'm shooting. But ooh is my video now. Stop ooh, please. They are using your village. You just don't know it. So first of all, I'm gonna put some rice water in there. I'm usually gonna use to dampen the hair again. This time I'm not gonna be spraying the hair. I'm going to be pouring the rice water into my hair. Yeah. After which I'm going to be using some water. So like warm water or to hot water if you can stand hot water. I don't know whether you're a human being, but do you, boo? Do you? So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'm gonna come back out and show you the result before we put the mask in. So this is what it looks like right now after washing out the rice water. Now I'm applying my hair mask on. You just want to apply it like you're applying like a deep conditioner into your hair. Apply it to the roots first, massage that in, and then work your way to the ends of the hair. You're only going to use water to rinse this off. I tend to not dry my hair till it's completely dry. I just want it to not be dripping wet, just to straighten it out. Alright, so this is the hair cream I used. And I'm just trimming off the extra split ends that didn't go away in the shower. So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, stay glued, don't stress. Till next time, it's your girl Chimaka Curry. Peace and love. Bye.
I would go down on my knees, don't mind begging please, 'cause without you